Royal Building Products is proud to announce Cedar Renditions. It combines sturdy contemporary wood aesthetics and a distinctly streamlined presence, lending visual stopping power to all kinds of accents. Real wood looks take your home to the next level, expressing curb appeal in several colors: gray oak, timberline, smokewood, and riverwood, just to name a few. Made from very low-maintenance recyclable aluminum, Cedar Renditions is a non-combustible siding, is fade-resistant due to PVDF coating, has overlapping seams for long walls, is water-resistant, and has matching trim coil and accessories. It's a unique and powerful accent and a versatile complement to a variety of exteriors. A one-of-a-kind, high-design, low-maintenance sensation. Cedar Renditions. This is more than siding. It's an exterior drama.